my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just picking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the 4-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
Hello my friends, it's YDKM, and in this video we'll show you my setup, because some of you might notice that I built a new quad with 20,700 kV motors, and I wanted to put this video out a little bit earlier, but time is always an issue, and then I forgot and just put out some flight videos which I think you like. And then Striker FPV asked me to put the new build in the description, and I thought, yeah, now it's time to talk about my new build and if I fly my old build too. And yeah, I fly both of them. Both builds are like 630 grams with 4S LiPo and Hero Session. You know what's inside my old build, so let's talk about my new build. I'm using the 2207 20,700 kV motors from Lumnia, and RunCam Mini, because I don't need an adapter for the Armattan Marmotte, so it fits a little bit better. Then I'm using as a VTX a TBS Unify Pro HV And as a receiver, the Crossfire Nano RX with an Immortal L like Mr. Steel does. This is a TBS antenna, but I just wanted to try it, and it's not better than the Aomware I'm using on my old build. Only with this you can use the receiver from TBS, so you can fly a little bit further. I'm now using the Holybro Kakute F7 with a TCO32 F3 4-in-1 ESC. The reason why I switched to this, I thought I want to try the RPM filter in Betaflight and with an F7, which is much more powerful than the F4, which is in my old build. But that's the only reason, and I don't use RPM filter. I tried it and it didn't change nothing for me. I think it's just for builds which are not clean or with bad motor bearings or something. But now I'm not using it, and the ESC F3 from TCO32 is at the moment one of the best ESCs according to some tests, and it has really less noise. That means we don't have to filter much, and less filtering, as I noticed, is one of the best things you can do for your quad to fly really nice without much prop wash and to get it really locked. I switched to the HQ durable props, a 5-inch 4.3 X3. I'm using the new build for some juicy freestyle on 3 spots, and my old build for some bandos. That doesn't mean you can't fly juicy spots with this. I always did, and I broke something on this build. So this was my backup build, and there's not much difference. I started my style with this, and I don't know if this changed a lot, but I just like them both. And yeah, that's it for my setup.